This week, Anna drew the plans for this keyboard stand, and I'm going to show you how to build it. So my nephew is just learning to play the keyboard, but he doesn't have a dedicated space to play, so he'll bring it out and he'll play on their kitchen table. The cool thing about this plan is it will be super easy to modify for different size keyboards, and I think it would also make a neat standing desk or console table as well. Okay, so here are all the boards you will need. It was under $40 in lumber, and I'm just gonna cut it with my chop saw. Of course, you just want to make sure that you make nice straight cuts. And I put this project together using just screws first, but then I decided I wanted to rebuild it with pocket holes. I wanted to hide all of the joints, and I was much more pleased with the outcome of pocket holes, but of course you can use either method. Now I'm going to do all of the pocket holes here facing up on the top because it will be covered with the tabletop, and that will just mean less work for me as far as filling holes and finishing. And then for this bottom leg, I'm going to do the pocket holes facing down. Just mark my board to make sure they're even. And then use gravity as your advantage, as our great teacher Anna always tells us when we're using pocket hole joinery. So I'm just building two legs here, and then the long piece, we'll join them at the back. This was a little bit tricky by myself, but I managed. Okay, so there it is. As you can see, all the pocket holes are up, which makes it super easy to finish. I don't have any holes to fill, so I'm just going to give it a sanding. Okay, so that's how it's gonna go, and I'm gonna do a two-tone finish. I'm gonna stain the 1x boards and paint the legs. I'm using 1 1/4 inch nails and a nailer to attach the top and the bottom shelf. These boards will really help square up the project and strengthen it. I wanted to add a little bit of a music stand to hold some book music or sheet music, so I had some scraps laying around and I threw this little stand together. I'm just going to add some L brackets and attach it to the back. Okay, so that's it for this week. Another really simple project in the books. I think my nephew's gonna love this, so I'm really excited to give it to him. If you do build this, please tag Anna White, and she will be back with a brand new video next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.